Jim King back here with our King Pierce team back at Overland Park. This is video, first video today. Yesterday we had a video. We've now got our wall braces in. They are tight. They've been installed for hydrostatic pressure, scabbed onto the existing floor joists. They're locked in tight, bolted from the side. Walls will never lean in again. We've patched here in the corner. You've seen some of these previous videos. We patched all this in on both sides. The load support beam for this house has been supported with an H-beam. I think I said these were I-beams. These are H-beams, 4-inch H-beams. The webbing on these are thicker than an I-beam. That's what we use. I go one step above what everybody else uses. A little bit more expensive, but better off. The only thing left to do is haul some dirt off from the outside and finish epoxy injecting, sealing in our ports, which we'll do tomorrow. Come back on Thursday and start injecting, and then Friday cut the ports off, run another bead of 300 over it, and that will be it. So, for all your foundation piering needs, the King Pierce team out here in Overland Park conquered another one. Just a very tough job here. 2 walls leaning in, very hard to do. We did it with ease. So stay tuned for more videos when we're actually finished with this. Gonna have one more video, and that'll be it. But right now, we'll take a good look all around here. Patching on the floor is done. Everything's good. Everything's good. Everything's level, vertical, and King Pierce strong. So for all your foundation piering needs, give me a call, 816-288-4373. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com.
Why do you slow?